Hey doctors, welcome to today's video. If you've ever dealt with prior authorization in the US healthcare system, you know it can be a bit of a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's there to make sure the care being prescribed is both necessary and cost-effective. So, what does this mean for you, as healthcare providers? Well, it's clear that prior authorization impacts patient care in a big way. The process may seem straightforward on the surface, but it often creates delays that could compromise patient outcomes. Let's start with the basics. Prior authorization is required for certain treatments or medical procedures. Essentially, it's a process where you submit a request to an insurance company to get approval before providing a particular treatment. However, as you may have noticed, this process isn't the same across the board. Different insurance providers have different forms, timelines, and requirements. For patients, waiting for an approval can mean missed appointments, disruptions in their treatment, and unfortunately, a potential decline in their health. When authorization becomes a bottleneck, your team has to spend hours chasing down paperwork and correcting mistakes. All of this takes time away from the actual care of your patients, and that's where the frustration builds up. Due to the nature of the treatment, prior authorization was required. He decided to partner with Staffingly to take the burden of prior authorization off his plate. Staffingly reviewed all the documentation, handled communication with the insurance company, and made sure everything was in line with the insurer's requirements. Delays in prior authorization can have real-world consequences, like postponed treatments, missed opportunities for early interventions, and increased stress for both patients and their families. According to a survey by the American Medical Association, over 90% of physicians reported treatment delays due to prior authorization, and almost 30% of them said these delays led to serious harm for patients. So, if you're facing similar challenges, you're definitely not alone. Staffingly's solution is designed to streamline the entire prior authorization process, helping you avoid these frustrating delays. We provide dedicated authorization specialists who take care of all the documentation, submission, and follow-up for you. Our team customizes workflows to match your EHR system and insurance mix, ensuring smoother, faster approvals. And with fewer denials, your internal team can focus more on patient care and less on paperwork. By outsourcing prior authorization to Staffingly, you'll not only reduce turnaround time but also improve patient satisfaction. Your practice will be more efficient, and your patients will experience fewer disruptions to their care. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more insights into how outsourcing services like Staffingly can make your practice run more smoothly. Thanks for watching, doctors.